Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS or iPadOS 17 or later. Make sure your device is charged or plugged in. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Personal Voice. Start the setup immediately. Choose a quiet room and plug in a headset if available so recordings are clean. You'll grant microphone access and agree to terms. Do that now. Once done, you will be prompted to read a series of phrases. Speak naturally, not hurried. This trains the model to match your tone and cadence. You'll see a sequence of phrases to record. Read each one aloud, keeping a steady pace and natural intonation. If background noise appears, pause and redo that line. Accuracy matters. Make sure you maintain the same mouth-to-mic distance so the model learns consistent volume. The system shows progress as a percentage. Keep recording until it reaches 100%. Once you finish, the device processes your recordings into a personal voice model. This can take several minutes, so be patient while it compiles. After processing, enable your personal voice in the same voice settings and assign it to VoiceOver, Siri, or Speak selection. Test with short prompts first, then longer paragraphs to evaluate prosody and punctuation handling. Listen for unnatural breaks or volume dips. If something sounds wrong, retrain those sections or run the full setup again. Re-record the problematic phrases rather than ignoring them. One key troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls, restart the device and reconnect to Wi-Fi before retrying the upload and build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.